In this video, we're going to learn how to create, edit, and delete a tenant. To access the Tenant Manager, go up to Settings tab in the main menu, choose Tenant Manager, and you'll be taken to the Create a Tenant section. Begin creating your tenant by providing a name, an email address, and a phone number. You can also choose to do an occupancy override for a tenant. If I click this tick box, then I'm letting this tenant book after hours aircon whenever they want. This includes during normal business hours. However, I can limit when the bookings can happen as well. For example, if I now click Tuesdays and change the time to say 1500 hours, then I am putting limitations on bookings. That is, this tenant can only book on Tuesdays between 7 and 1500 hours. If I do choose to do an occupancy override, I then have access to time zones, which I can select for a specific tenant. I can also do a cost override. If I click Price Override, I now have access to more forms that allow me to change the price per hour that I charge or the price per kilowatt. I can add an admin fee or a tax, and these charges would be specific to this tenant. After I've gotten everything entered in to the Create a Tenant section, I hit the Create button, and my new tenant has been created. If I need to edit my tenant, I can do that here in the Tenant Manager as well. I can quickly locate my tenant by going up to the filter icon under Name, choosing Contains, entering in an identifier, hitting Apply, and my tenant will be filtered and brought up into the list. I now can go over to the pencil icon on the right, click it. It will bring up the Edit Tenant menu, and then I can choose to make changes. When I'm finished, I hit Edit, and the information is updated. I can also choose to delete my tenant. To delete a tenant, simply go over to the right and click on the bin icon next to the tenant. You will get a confirmation pop-up asking you if you're sure. You click Yes, and your tenant has been deleted.